welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, I'm Maria Warner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have another unboxing for you, and this is the warm white bulb curtain lights. This is what it looks like. I got this. We got this from ShopRite because they do sell some Christmas lights and any Christmas decorations and stuff. So actually I tried to search online and they do sell it in Amazon. So I will put the link down below if you want to order these Christmas lights. So this Christmas lights is from the Christmas workshop. Christmas time warm white bulb curtain lights, 2 meters and for indoors or outdoor use. And also it has 108 LED lights, and the light size is, the width is 2 times and the length is 0.8 meter and is steady on. So this light, about your light, cable length from transformer to light 5 meter approach, and then light length 2 meters approach, and 108 warm white LED lights per set, and non-replaceable lead. So this is not a non-replaceable lead, and it has a transformer input voltage of 220 to 240 voltage and 50 by 60 Hz. I don't know what's that. So the light uses non-replaceable bulbs but has been designed to give many hours of use. And the light can be used as in indoor or outdoor decoration. When choosing a location for your lights, you should make sure that the rack socket you decide to use will reach without becoming an obstacle or hazard. So yeah, carefully remove the lights from the display packaging and unravel the cable, taking care not to stretch or damage. Okay, this is the lights in the picture look like. Okay, I will unbox it for you now. So this is what it looks like inside, and this is the plug. It's made in China, but its importer was Liverpool. Importer UK. Ben was marketing Ltd Liverpool. So these are all the bulbs. Wow, it's a plastic. So it's not glass, it's plastic. So okay, I'll take a video. I will hang it in our window curtains, and then I'll show you the result after, okay? Hi everyone! So I managed now to put it in our window by the curtains. I only stick it by the wall. So I'm going to turn this on now. What it looks like. Oh wow! This is now the light. It's so cool. So it looks very nice in our window. Wow, very nice. Actually I only paid we paid £16 for this light in ShopRite. So I will put the link down below. You can buy this also in Amazon. Nice color. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.